Hi, is
Hi,
my
Mudrik.
audio
Yes, yes, absolutely. You are wonderful. You are like perfectly audible to every single person.
okay? Hi.
Great to have you here. And yes, how has been your experience?
Yeah, so yesterday itself I received my offer letter. So
Okay.
this is the recent opportunity which I have got in within a week, and I jumped from 3 lakh to 6 lakh directly. So which
Wow.
was unexpected because I have tried at many places and nobody was offering more than 3.5 itself because of due to COVID. And just from your experience and your things which I have adapted, I tried to make it up at 6 and fight for 6, like I am eligible for 6 and I need 6. I am not that much undervalued, so I received 6 itself.
That is fantabulous, awesome. Like you were trying for a lot more months, a lot more years, and you were not getting above 3.5, and
Exactly.
you just got in 6. And this is just a beginning, what I say,
Exactly.
because now, like once we get some offer letters, now the actual journey starts in, and we like start playing with the cross offer things and all that matters. So, Mudrika, what is your notice period and what is your domain?
Yeah, my notice period in my bank itself is 90 days. The
Okay,
company in which I have been offered doesn't it was allowing me of 30 days, but I tried to convince them of middle of them 60 days, 60 to 65 days.
correct. Mm-hmm.
So, approx end of the March, I'll be leaving here and joining there. I've been
Super
selected in
awesome.
Airtel Payment Bank.
Yes.
So,
Wow. So, Mudrika, my quick question to you is a lot of people, maybe they are inside our community or maybe they are outside our community. They're not the enrolled members. They have one of the biggest thing on top of their mind that the people who have 90 days of notice period, they are not getting calls. They don't get calls. They don't get
not at all.
100% hike. So, what is your take on this thing?
I don't believe, like I am also having 90 days of notice period, and when I had my interview, I also told them that it is 90 days and we have to serve it mandatory. But if you have your skills and if you are capable to have that job, if you prove them that you are the only one who can fit in that role, they are
Mm,
ready to give you 90 days also, because they this is a giving interview and having a job is both win-win situation. You and
absolutely.
job interviewer both needs, they need good employee, you need good company. So
Yes,
both have to
absolutely.
compromise each other either way. If they are ready, if you are they are ready to take you, then they have to come up with the conditions which you are comfortable. So that's why
Absolutely.
I
And
also
see, this is what
sorry.
I always say that whatever notice period you have, maybe 60 days or 45 days or 90 days, that
Yeah,
is your moral responsibility to fulfill and complete that particular thing. If you're able to convince them that because like people don't relate it with the real time situation. They don't ask the tough questions. See, if I am going into a company and they're also having 60 days or 90 days of notice
exactly.
period, I have to serve at their company as well. So why not I'll be serving in my present organization? So that is what the whole thing, the
The
mind
same
shift has to
dialogue
be
you
done.
told us, and I I just stick that dialogue to them, that you I asked them that what's the notice period in your company, so they said 90 days. Then I said that how could you expect that my company would give me relieving before that.
Wow,
So they
super
said,
awesome.
so they agreed
Mhm.
on that.
Great. So, all right. So, Mudrika, what domain you are from, and what is your total experience?
I'm from banking background, so I'm in
Okay.
Utkarsh Small Finance Bank currently, and in market and credit risk department specifically.
Great.
So here also I get the same profile in
Mhm.
Airtel Payment Bank market risk itself,
Okay.
and the profile is same. And I am having approx within a month I'll be having 3 years of experience. 2 years 11 months I am having currently.
Okay. Wow. And when did you join the community?
I suppose just before a new year.
Wow. Okay. I still
Appro-
I remember that. I think you enrolled via paying on Paytm, I believe,
yeah,
right?
exactly.
And you were like, I think you mentioned your husband's name as well.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Yes, I got it. Somewhere before Christmas it was. I
yeah.
think
Approx
20th
23rd or
December was the
24th
date.
one
21st, yes.
December.
Great. Because on 20th December, yes, yes, 20th December was the date I got the last payment of 2020 on 20th December on Paytm.
Exactly.
Great. So that's super powerful of you, Mudrika. And now I am assigning one major important task to you and responsibility to you, that there are a couple of people, there are like a bunch of people who are from finance and all these kind of backgrounds inside our community as well. So like whosoever will be connecting with you, whosoever will be like, you find that okay, these people are from these backgrounds, so now we have to collectively help them, and we have to actually bring them from their painful situation,
Exactly.
right? Great. All the very best, and I believe that you will be taking this 6 to 7 or 7.5 or 8 lakhs by the time your notice period comes to end. All the
Of
very
course,
best.
of course.
Great.
Thank you.